How to use WhatsApp without a mobile number or verification. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp without a mobile number or verification. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Once you have your application, open WhatsApp and navigate until you are required to input a number. Step 2. Go to Browser. Open any browser of your choosing. Next, search temp number and click the first result that comes up. Once there, select any country of your choosing and let the site generate a unique mobile number for you. Copy that number, put it on WhatsApp, and that's it. That is how you use WhatsApp without a mobile number or verification. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!